You guys are about to be mind blown. You guys are about to be mind blown. This Raz kid, man. Yo, this Fire Stick is something crazy. Something I am about to like. You guys are about to like be like, yo, my God, like, yo, you guys are gonna flip. Yo, so remember that this comes with the Fire Stick. This, they made you, go crazy over. They're like, you need to plug it up to a wall, etc., whatever. All right, guess what? I'm gonna show you guys something crazy. Take this, okay? You're gonna take this, put it to one of the HDMI spots. Let's see, we can use, let's take HDMI 2 out, and I'm gonna put it in HDMI 2. I'm gonna put it in here, right? Oh my God, I put it the wrong way. Come on, man, what are you doing? All right, bam, right? We got that right there. All right, and this is the thing. We don't need this. We don't need that. Come on, take the USB that came with the Fire Stick, right? This is about to get crazy. So you take the micro USB in, and you put it to the side of the Fire Stick right there. You put it right there to the side, and then so you plug it in. All right, so you have it in like that. Remember, this is all you need. And then you have this, the USB port of it. Now you plug this in to the TV, to your USB port TV, and that is it. Okay, wrong spot. Actually, okay. Hold on, please. Just give me a second. All right. Now, believe it or not, that's all you need. You do not need the wall adapter. Now watch this. You guys said HDMI 2? Well, here we go. HDMI 2. And behold, the FireStick TV without the power wall. So you do not have to plug it into the wall. What kind of stuff were they tricking us? I don't know what this is. This is not what I asked for. Amazon, you did us wrong. Psych, nah, but yo, share this to all your friends. Tell everyone you do not need the wall adapter.